Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn a new way of making bracelet, again with the wires though. This time it's going to be like a braided design, so pretty much like braiding but with the beads in between. I have three 15 inches long 24 gauge wire all lined up together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take about about 1.5 inches mark, and I'm gonna bend one and wrap it around. Okay, and then so now all three wires are secure, and now we're just gonna start braiding, like braiding our hair. So first we're gonna take, and I'm using pearls today. I think this will look really cute with this design. Let's see how this works. So you put your bead in place and bring it to the center, and then you put your second bead in place, and then bring that to the center. So this is a very easy design. All you're doing is getting your bead, and I'm starting out with like tiny beads. Slowly, we'll work our way into trying different things, but for this one, start small and see. We'll see what else we can use for our what happened here. So this goes in the center. And this comes. Okay, so with the 3 beads, that's what we have so far. Okay, so the next bead is going to go on this wire, and then bring that over to the center. How the pearls are looking against the gold wire. So guys, we'll just keep going until we have our desired length. So I'll check back with you guys until I have about 6.5 inches long. Okay guys, so we have reached our desired length, which for me is 6.5 inches long. And so now we're going to finish off the bracelet. This is what it looks like. So we're going to do the same thing at the end. I'm going to take the wire that has the last bead and then wrap it around the other two. So wrap, wrap, wrap. And then we're going to add the clasp on this side. So I'll grab my little lobster claw, and we're gonna make a closure like every other ones that we have done in the past. I'm just gonna take this, and I guess we don't need this long of a wire too. Sometimes I like to take extra precaution and get longer wire, but since our beads, the pearls were pretty tiny, we didn't need this long of a wire. So here we're going to make a loop. You know what? I'm gonna make a bigger loop this time. I always go small and then I try to make it bigger at the end. So this time I'm just gonna go big. Okay, and then here I'm going to add my clasp. And then make a loop, or wrap, not make a loop. We already made a loop. Okay, so just wrap for as long as you want. I'm just finishing off the tucking my wires in. Okay, and then on the next side you're gonna make a loop. Okay guys, so here's the loop, and the loop with the clasp, and let's try it on. I'm on the, and here we are. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thank you. Bye.